Hi guys, in this video I'll be going over 8 secrets to prevent illness and death when dealing with the coronavirus. Some secrets may seem obvious and others not so obvious, so stay tuned. Coming right up! Welcome to Life Altering Reviews. My name is Jason, helping you find life-changing products. In this video, I'll be going over 8 secrets that can help you prevent illness and death when dealing with the coronavirus. If you like what you see, please like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification. And again, all links will be in the description below, so please check those out. And without further ado, let's begin. Secret number 1, I recommend a hand soap washing. You want to wash for 20 seconds in water. I recommend any soap, doesn't matter. I like the Flea, I'm not saying that right, soap. You can wash your hands, your face. It's one of my top favorite ones. Number 2, disinfecting wipes. Diseases and viruses leave on the surfaces. Make sure you use disinfecting wipes. Scrub really hard. Awesome product to use. Secret number 3, make sure you wear a mask. Tons of people are constantly coughing when you have a mask on. It definitely allows it so people can stop coughing on you. Okay, good. Secret number 4, gloves. Because often people aren't washing or wiping anything down with disinfecting wipes. Gloves. Just make sure when you leave a store or leave somewhere, you can always take them off. Very easy to do. 5, I recommend an iodine solution to take. You take 3 drops of this. This is X2 from the InfoWars, or I prefer Detoxidine, supporting Global Healing Center. You can also get it on Amazon. I'll put links in the description below. As well as my number 6 is a mushroom. Of course, we ran out of the mushroom. I ran out of the mushroom that's cheaper. So I've been using InfoWars DNA Force, which they have the reishi mushroom in it. I prefer using chaga mushroom. You can get that in Amazon on Cebu. All right. Secret number 7, I recommend a multivitamin. My multivitamin of choice is Rainbow Lights. I like the men's once a day because I can just take it once a day. Has some good natural vitamins, keeps your immunity up. All right, last secret, number 8. I recommend something called Organites. This helps you your immunity and repels energies and frequencies. It's kind of weird and hard to explain. So I have one that looks like this. I got this from Amazon. I really like the crystal and the zoisite on the bottom, as you can see. As well as this pendant I got from vinaya.net. I'll put the links in the description below as well. Very nice items. All right, guys, and question of the day. What are your favorite products you guys use to prevent illness and death when dealing with the coronavirus? Until next time, I'm Jason, Life Altering Reviews, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.